Brizy is making waves in the website building space, but is it really worth your time and money? Today we're diving into its features, usability, and whether it can stand up to the competition. Brizy is a website builder that focuses on simplicity and design flexibility. At its core, it allows users to create visually appealing websites without needing to dive into complex coding. You can drag and drop elements, customize layouts, and even utilize pre-designed templates for a head start. What stands out immediately is the intuitive interface. It feels user-friendly, especially for beginners who might be intimidated by more complex platforms. However, the experience can vary. While some users may find it straightforward, others might feel limited by the available features, especially when it comes to more advanced functionalities. The intended audience seems to be small business owners, freelancers, or anyone looking to establish an online presence without the steep learning curve. But I did notice some areas felt a bit unclear, like the limitations on integrations and how well it handles e-commerce features. Overall, it's a mixed bag of usability and potential. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, Brizy's design capabilities are impressive for those who prioritize aesthetics. The drag and drop functionality is smooth, making it easy for newcomers to get started. However, there are some notable frustrations. The lack of advanced features could be a deal breaker for users who need more than just a basic site. Trust concerns arise too. There isn't a ton of user feedback available, which makes it hard to gauge long-term reliability. Pricing may also be a sticking point. While it offers a free version, the premium features require a subscription that could add up. This might not suit everyone, especially those looking for a one-time purchase. If you're a beginner needing something quick and visually appealing, Brizy could be a good fit, but more seasoned users may want to look elsewhere. In conclusion, Brizy is worth considering if you're a beginner or someone who values design over functionality. However, if you need a more robust solution with advanced features and integrations, you might want to explore alternatives. It feels like a decent option, but the lack of user feedback leaves some questions about its long-term value.